Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Recreated. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. Hope you're doing great. So today let's make a dessert. Super easy, delicious dessert. Peach hand pies with a brown sugar sauce. Oh, it's gonna be so good. So the easy part is we're gonna start it with a pre-made pie crust. The delicious part is we are gonna use fresh peaches to kind of make like the filling, but with like this sugar reduction. It's gonna be super delicious. You can definitely use like peach pie filling to make it even super easier, but I wanted to have a little fresh taste in there. So let's get started. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and leave me a comment. Say hi. Let's go.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now. Let's begin now.
Okay, so I was able to get like 7.5, like a little baby one. Look cute after you take the other ones and roll it out and do it again. So now we're gonna take, I just have like, it's like a tablespoon, like a big tablespoon. So I'm just gonna take a spoonful, not too much because you don't want it to overflow, and then fold it over in half. Kind of press it down, and then you're gonna just flip it up, so that way you know it's staying in there. And then I also crimp it with a fork, just kind of go around. Work with me, guy, work with me. Okay, now we're going to do a couple slits in here so you can cut out this so steam can escape. There you go. Let me finish the rest.
What up?
Okay, oh, these smell so good. So we have the brown sauce ready, and this is optional because you are gonna drizzle, with brown sauce later. But I'm gonna do this for like extra sheen and just sugarness. So this is just powdered sugar and milk, like big tablespoon of powdered sugar, and then just add a little bit of milk until it, is a thin consistency. So I'm just gonna brush these over the pies and then let them cool off because they are piping hot. So then when we serve them, we'll go ahead and drizzle the brown butter sauce over them. And that's it. All right, can't wait. Can't wait for these babies to cool off. We'll be back. Okay, guys, let's put some together now that they've cooled off. We'll do this little baby one. How cute is that one? Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me just rinse my hands. And then we have the brown sugar sauce. Let's see how we're gonna do this. You know what? Let's do some whipped cream really quick. Now, let's drizzle some of this brown sugar sauce. So good, you guys. Hope you try it. It's easy, it's delicious, perfect for summer. I'll see you next time. Bye.
This is not a drill.